Hello world, welcome back to another Metared Stage 1 CTF challenge video. In this video, we'll be walking through the forensics challenge broken files. Let's get into it. Fix, smiley face, and they give you a challenge file. We probably need to fix it, so I have it over here. Let's go ahead and open that up in HXD, which I have open already down here, so we can just drag this in here. Let's close these other files. All right, looking at the top of the file, we see that there's 2 underscores here and 3 underscores here, which are clearly not part of the file header here. So what this ended up being was a JPEG file, which I could kind of tell because J, if you type in the rest of it, would be J5. And the file header for a JPEG image is FFD8. So that should be fixed now, and we can actually check to make sure that is by renaming this to .jpg like so, and then opening it up, and there you go, we get an image. Okay, but we're clearly not done with this, so let's go over to Kali now, and I have the image right here, and you'll see what this solve script does in a second here. But what we want to do is actually run binwalk on the challenge file like so, and as you can see, it extracted a zip archive. So let's see what's inside that underscore challenge extracted folder. And there is a zip archive in there. Now, if we tried to say cat the flag txt file in there, well, we can't. It comes up with nothing. And that's because the zip file is password protected. See? Now, looking back at the image, it got me thinking, maybe the password is one of the words that's inside the image. Well, nobody wants to type all that out. So what you can do is an apt install Tesseract on your system, and Tesseract is one of the best image recognition softwares out there. And you can run Tesseract on the challenge.jpg file, and then specify what you want to call the output file. Okay, and then if we look here, we see we have an out.txt file now. And then if we cat that out, we see that we have all the text pretty much perfect, verbatim what was inside the image. I didn't see any errors, at least no noticeable errors. So now that we have that, we can take a look at my solve script now. Because what we're going to do is take what we got from the Tesseract, or the out.txt file that came from Tesseract, and what we're going to do is extract all the words out from that text file, because you notice there's a lot of punctuation and stuff. We don't want all that. We just want the words, and that's what this regular expression does. It pretty much parses out anything that's pretty much an alphanumeric string, essentially, and it ignores all the punctuation and white space and all that. And in fact, I can actually print that out for you here so that you can see it after this executes. And then I use the zip file library to open up the challenge zip file from that extracted directory from binwalk. And then I loop through all the words and I try each word as a password. And that's how you do it right here. This extract all function, and then you specify password with pwd. And then here I end up printing whatever word ended up being the password just so we could see which one it was. And the reason why I put this all in a try and accept is because if the password is wrong, then it'll error out. So I needed to make sure I handle the error, and we just continue to the next word if it errors out. So that being said, let's go ahead and try running it. So /solve.py. And as you can see, all the words are perfectly split up into a list. And then that's our password right there, Bonamente. Now, if we do ls, we see we have a flag.txt, and if we cat that out, there's our flag, Borges there real, whatever that says. Anyways, let's copy that, paste it in, and submit. All right, if you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.